This is my favorite lunch, a complete, delicious, and very quick lunch. To start, in a frying pan, I add 200 grams of spaghetti, half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper, 1 onion, parsley, 3 sliced sausages, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and to finish, add water until all these ingredients are covered. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you all for following our recipes. Then stir to combine and blend the flavors. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love macaroni and sausage." Cover it again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. You guys, this pasta is very easy to make and delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. And if you want, you can substitute the vegetables used in this recipe for the ones you like the most. And you can also substitute the sausage for meat, chicken, tuna. This pasta is very versatile. To finish, add grated mozzarella cheese. The amount is to taste. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back here to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And now our recipe is ready. Just take a portion and enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.